I'm Love, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to the different type of layouts in Android Studio. So let us go and open Android Studio firstly. So Android Studio, what we are just going to do is this video is just about designing and then how you can make good designs for your app. And we'll just look at some of the different layouts. So let's start a new project and wait for it to set up. Select empty activity and call the application as layouts. The rest you can keep as how it is default. So we'll just wait for this to come and then we'll start with the video. Now that it has come, just minimize everything so that we'll have space, and then we'll just stay on the main activity. We don't need to have anything else open. So firstly is the constraint layout, which you guys already know since we have been using it since the first day. So then there is more. So we'll only do linear layout and table layout today. So linear layout is a way, the linear layout is just a way in which you can add the ways you want it, like in row wise or column wise, then you will use a linear layout. So if we use just add text views over here, so it's going to be like this only. It's going, because this is a horizontal linear layout, it will keep on going horizontal. Now if we change this linear layout to vertical, then everything has come one underneath the other. So linear layouts are good for these things, but then mostly people don't use linear layouts that often, is because as you can see, it will only take this much space. So if you want to fit it completely, then you'll have to do fill and all of that. So that's why people use grid layout. So search for grid layout. So here you can find it. Okay, so it usually doesn't work that way, so you usually have to go over here. Okay, so it's syncing for a minute. Yeah, it has synced because grid layouts need these. So this is not exactly the way how to insert them, so you have to go to design, grid layout. Yeah, now you can see. Okay, so you'll have to just type it over here if you want it. So then this will change it later on. So we have gotten the grid layout. Then you can go here and then add the constraints. Now the good thing about this is, in the grid layout, what we can do is that if we'll add text views over here, we'll add one text view. Then let's go to text. Also you have to set the number of rows and columns. So let's go over here. Firstly find column count. Here it is. We'll just keep it 2 by 2. So column count is that 2 and row count also is 2. And now what we have to do is we have to go over here, row column is fine, and then we'll have to do dot row width and keep it as 1, and then column width weight is equal to 1 as well. Then what you have, so that it fills one row and one column. Then what you have to do is just copy all this text view and then just paste it for 3 times. Doesn't matter, just name it 3. Okay, I need to name it as letters. Two, and over here let's just name it 1. Then you'll have to change this, so the second one we want in this second column. So if also one more thing, in Android Studio 1 is noted as the second place and 0 is noted as first, and it goes so on. So if you want to do the 100th position, then you'll have to do 99. So here we are going to do row is 1 and here row 1 and column 1. So if you can see now, it looks so much more neater than the linear layout. So that's one more way of doing it. Yeah, and then there is table row, which is like in a table layout. So let's get rid of this grid layout. So if we get in the table layout, just add some constraints. The table layout is also very similar to the grid layout, and then here you have to, if you add over here text views, okay, yeah, and then here there's a table row. So there's table rows inside every table layout. So that's how it works. So there's 4 table rows over here. So inside every table row there is something. So that is how we use table layout. So it's basically row, 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 row. Grid layout is row and columns. So that's one difference between these two. Then now I'll show you how to add color into your screen and then so go to your constraint layout, then go to background tint, and then you can choose any color. I'll try this light blue. Okay, it won't work for that. So let's just add another constraint layout, and then you have to, let's try it again. Let's try this only. Okay. Okay, so it just took a bit of time to come. So you can just customize it as you want. So that is how you customize and design your apps. So we have learned about 3 different layouts today, which is table layout, linear layout, and grid layout. And then and that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and bye.